today my parents are joining us and I am here with Zeina. Yeah, she's driving, I'm just chilling.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
أيوة. 3, 2, 1. There's everyone again. It was so cool yesterday, so we're going back today. Yeah, people. There's a little island there. It's called, do you know what it's called, Zeina? It's called Banana Island. Oh, there he is.
Dude, I literally would not move.
Okay, start stirring.
What's up?
Go Zaid. Oh!
Yeah! See? I told you, he got it. He got it. Yeah! Show them how it's done, man.
Living the life. Living the life. Hey guys, welcome back to day 3 of this journey. Right here we have the bar where all the drinks are served, and for the seats, welcome to sit down here. And there's this thing where you can sit on it, and the good thing about it, I mean not really good actually, the bad thing, is that it has, I don't know if it's good or bad. It has weeds. It's like not inflatable, but it has like things inside, like foam balls inside it to keep it.
Looks like the fun is there, Zeina. We should go there. Look, we're all laughing.
Yeah, I wish you could go.
They speak Jamaican English, Yaman and
That's what.
A little Jamaican?
They study here in Jamaican school.
What's going on? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, man.
He knows this.
He's a goalkeeper here. Yeah, he plays football. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of the best sports in Jamaica. Yeah, they play football and they win every year the royal match.
Last year we came second. In the soccer fever, we come first every year.
Soccer fever, which country?
Yeah.
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
What? So because of you? The brilliant goalkeeper? Oh my God! Yeah, man.
They called him to join, Liverpool. But I told him either Barcelona or nothing.
I see you
No,
guys
he's
play.
right.
Barca.
He's not Barsha. He's
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Yeah, man, pick up yourself.
Can I have it with some whiskey, please? Fantastic.
Let's take it.
And we are having breakfast.
Hey everyone! It's some nice crispy treats. Yeah, it was very embarrassing because I took two and then like they were confused.
They were playing a game.
شو انت بعرفش انا بعرف 1000 قصيده حرف الاح و1000 اغنيه حرف الاح حا النطاحه على بقره حا النطاحه والبقره حلوب قولوا حا تحلب قنطار لكن مسلوب من اهل الدار والبقره تنادي وتقول يا ولادي لكن مسلوب.
What is this called?
Frozen book.
Me and Zaid escaped from the others to this cafe again, and we ordered.
Likes.
Don't tell the others; they're gonna be jealous. Okay, guys, so we are getting ready now. We are going to have dinner. Zeina and my parents are going to an Italian restaurant, Italian or Greek, and
I don't know.
me and the boys are going to Soy, which is a Chinese restaurant. So, or Japanese. So we're gonna separate. And look how pretty Zeina is.
I might go with
She's
them.
dressed up like a girl. Wow, Zeina, wow. What is this? What is that? Just trying to teach Zaid how to use chopsticks. As this place, the interior is so nice. Soft. Zeina, do you know how to use chopsticks? Bravo. Look at that. It looks so good. Zaid, show us what you have. Zaid's first time eating sushi, and Zeina as well. Okay. Tell us what you think. Yalla, go Zaid. She's trying to eat it. Yalla. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Should I do it for you? Yeah. Yes, you got it. Isn't it? You have to take it in one bite. Oh, it's very big. Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, Zaid, go Zaid. What do you think? Good? Is it worth it? Amazing. Zeina, did you like it? So far so good. She's eating like one bit at a time.
I cannot do it.
So guys, it's very loud here, so we have to come close to the camera.
So apparently our parents booked for 6 people in this restaurant, and we booked before for another restaurant which we were in. We were like eating there, and then we came back here to eat like in both. So you know, a little bit from there and a little bit from here. But anyway, it turns out that they're literally both the same. Like they're both Japanese or Chinese or whatever.
I even ordered soup, and it's the exact same one I ordered.
Really?
The others.
Exact same one.
So I'm gonna give it to my mom.
Yes.
And yeah.
Couldn't say that.
So
it's the same
basically we're
thing.
gonna have 2 dinners tonight because why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah.
It's a vacation.
Bang!
Nice.
Alright, one more here. Pepper! Alright, one. Okay! No slipper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 1, 2, 3, up. Up. One more time. Alright. And 1 and 2, 3.
He's gonna throw it. He's gonna throw it in my dad's mouth.
And 1 and 2, 3. Bad throw. One more time, sir. 1 and 2, 3. Yeah!
Oh, nice.
That's all right. Ready, sir? Yeah, man. And 2, 1. Hey! Push out a bit. One more. 2, 3. Yeah! Nice throw. That lady over there. 1 and 2, 3. Oh!
So close.
He's a goalkeeper, by the way.
That's ironic.
Oh, 1 and 2, 3. Say something, video.
We are having a photoshoot right now, and it will probably be on Instagram. So if you don't follow on Instagram, make sure to go and follow me, Zaina, Zaid, and FIRST is supposed to get here. It's very beautiful here and an amazing place to have a photoshoot. So here we are. شو مفكرين حالكم فزتوا؟ كل حالكم غلبتونا؟
We killed your faces يعني.
شو زينة؟ هيك يعني بتغلبونا؟
Too good for you.
Too good for us.
For anyone.
نروحي.
My arm is broken, as you can see. I cannot move anything in my bones in my body. My body is bones. I can't. Now everything is bones. I cannot move anything. The bones is gone. Everything is actually jild. Skin. Everything is skin now.
Okay, why don't you speak properly?
Because I can't. Even my mouth is only skin.
هذول راحوا على الكار بس هم